Good morning, stylers. Welcome back to another video. So this today I should be heading to my family house. I have to get my little cousin and my daughter here home for some fun day tomorrow. I don't know why a school keeping a fun day in the middle of the week, and then school tomorrow, and I have exam next week again. Oh gosh. Anyways, I'm now heading to downtown to JN Bank to see if I can get a replacement of my credit card. Well, actually I'm going to collect a credit card replacement because I did a deposit in the drop box the other day, and when I called them, tell me that my credit card blocked from the 15th. So I say how long I not use it. Them see suspicious activities, some transaction which don't look like me, so them block it. So I'm going to get my replacement card, but that card I have to pick it up down by Duke Street. That's a downtown branch because that's where that account was opened. So we're at downtown, I take the taxi, then the bus. So taking along with me on that journey. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Anyway, so we are getting downtown now. Get back to that house. Hello, why you're coming on my video and then you go say you see yourself and then you come to the video. Oh, you don't want it.
Anytime you're ready.
Alright, so we are go down at the bottom to the bus, then we'll load up enough because them one here I gotta take the time.
Grab a move, don't be looking at. Grab a move. Come here, stop. Back up.
Guys, let me know if you have struggled taking bus and taxi. I don't like the bus because I take the taxi. I used to always take bus going in the hills and stuff, but I don't like the bus. As me they say, the 7-seater taxi them I don't like sit down at the end where you have to come off, fill it off people and stuff. I don't like that. The bus here kind of empty, so I have to wait for it to load. I have to wait for it to load and all of that. So it don't let me know if they time hot for you as well, because most of the heat you now deal with it no good. Time very hot. The time is very hot. Alright, so the bus finally feel for drive off now, so let me see how long it will take a little stop also. So let me see.
Check. No fancy, don't worry. That's it. No. Come near me. Now we have fire. Don't let the bus stop. No.
So we walk straight down a JN. So they have electoral office here, so Advantage General. Alright, so FedEx is right here as well, and they have an NCB down. I think the NCB is across from the JN. So all of them business here still remains from the years I'm here. BCIC is here as well, so still BCIC there. So we're heading inside to JN. No blood? No. That means I don't come for eye. Yeah, just looking. Alright, think someone's going right there, go get a number. So now it's 11:38. So let me see how long we're gonna take to get through. Yeah, so the security took my ID and gone to the tether. So she has sorted out it for me get on stuff. Also, let me know if you ever come to this jail branch and how long you ever take. I know bank take a long while for you even collect a little credit card. Sometimes you take card. Morning. Get through quick. I got through quick. Oh, I just came. Yes, guys, so I came here very quickly and I get through, so I'll be heading out very soon. No. You know, so I always forget to need looking at the lens. That's why I don't like use the front camera, because every time I use the front camera, I look on the screen, and when I'm looking on the screen, you guys think I'm not looking at you. See there? So I'm looking at you now. So that's a tip I ensure that I stick by to ensure that I'm looking in the lens.
There you go. I'm not hearing nothing from this one. Press on speaker now, I'm not hearing nothing.
So guys, I have to use my phone to call them, so give me a few. This don't make no sense. Alright, so I get through and everything. I'm heading now to take the bus to go up in the hills as I mentioned. So the next time you'll see me, I will be at the bus stop or in the bus, because you know how it stays down here when using your phone and all. We have to be very careful. You don't want somebody just come and grab. So alright, let's head on to the bus stop. Hi, we're on a curtain, so also we're upstairs. Thanks. So guys, I just told you that the next time you see me I'll be at the bus stop, but I stopped by Amar's just to check out their housewear section. So I am heading upstairs to see what they have in store. So let's head on there and see what they have. Alright, so the dish drainer is $6.50. They have placemats as well. The placemats are like this set of 4 is for $1,200. This here is for $1,750. It's a set as well. So they have a lot of nice little stuff you can come on and get. This set here as well is for $1,009. I think about one of these to do a DIY, $695. More comforters, more. Okay, so I am heading out now. So hopefully the next time you see me I'll be on the bus. Come on and check out Amar's, and not only their home section, they have sale on the clothes section as well. So you can come on and check out them clothes section. Let me turn the camera. See? Yeah, so them clothes, them have sale on the clothes section as well, as you can see behind me. But I have no time for showing up clothes and stuff. This is not my forte. So I am in Joseph and I'm going to check out their home section to see if they have anything in store for home. So hopefully if they have any houseware stuff, I'll check them out. Alright, so curtains and stuff are upstairs, so let me check them out and see. Alright, so to my right, she said, in here I don't really have no whole heap of stuff, but just to looks, curtains are here. Just a small set of curtains. It's not a wide variety. So it's a 52. This one goes straight up to £10. So if you're going like Constance-Grey, you can get this. If you're going Apple Tree, if you're going to Wembley, you can get it. Valid for one trip, $100. Guys, it was just a shape. It was just a shape of life. And the bus was a shape up and I feel like my head got hurt. And then it looked like it had take long to load. So I'm going to go to the poster. I feel like I'm complaining too much, but just a show on the journey we take for travel sometime. So guys, I'm off the bus. See the bus there behind me if you can see it up there. So yeah, I couldn't take no more of the jerky. See me walk the little distance me do that. You know, say you guys would have seen when I left JN Bank. I left JN Bank after 11. And I just hear that some shootout here. Remember when I turned on Church Street to head into town to take the bus and then I end up go Amars. I heard that after 12, some shootout go on, 3 people dead. Thank God me did leave Church Street. Thank God. Because I couldn't imagine being in the middle of that. Couldn't imagine being in the middle of that. Yep. Tap this so. The bus just let off somebody there so. I go inside now. I go start my hungry bad. I go look for something to eat and then start comb them 2 little girl their ear. Yeah. I can do so many things, you know. Yep. So I go inside now. Bad. As I come, I get porridge. Woo! It says me leave Church Street, shoot out 1 man dead. But then I see all the video they say Clarendon them. Well, I don't know. I'm tired of this. Guys, it's a porridge here, thank God. Yeah, my porridge. Yeah. Oh, I'm hungry bad from the vehicle. Yep. You're not tablet, your ear go comes too. And when the mother knows that she did that come, our mother knows immunization card, she asks for passport. Yes, so mommy I book stupid. Let me show you in the bathroom. I Jesus called me and said, no sir, the heat is terrible. Yeah. Let me see if the lighting can go. Pot a bubble down and thing. Yeah, pot a bubble down and thing. Yeah, like see before I go drop dead. Yeah, I'm change over in our blouse. Place at. When me not the bus, so I feel like hungry, I go feel me buy 2 popcorn. And me I say, but me last night, so how hungry I go kill me and people Somali are dead. No sir, how we when I used to it.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. All the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can be okay. Okay, maybe you can be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope you will choose to stay through all the pain.
What you know about? So you watch it. So you watch it. Oh, look, me tell them make sure they lock their eye. After no baby them. I don't baby them. No man, no man, feel like that. The family, the family, I know. Uncle Carl, what? Yes.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.